Welcome back, everybody. So another Will It Mix. So shout out to Lily. She asked us to do some Blu Tack mix, and listen, we think we got the right thing. Um, Maybe it says Blu Tack, so hopefully it's the right thing, Lily. Hopefully you enjoy this video. If it's not the right thing, let us know, and we'll do another video. I mean, yeah, it is what it is, right, Stace?
Yeah.
This Blu Tack stuff though is interesting. I'd never heard of it, honestly. And
Sorry.
no. So I'd never heard of it, and it's like a putty,
Adhesive.
and it's like it's like an adhesive too. So you can like it's got like tips and everything on the back, so you can use this stuff. And I think it comes in different colors too. So obviously I got the blue because I like the blue. So Lily, hopefully this is the right stuff and we got the right thing. We're gonna mix it into the clear and the white base. I was reading the back. It says like to activate it, pull off a piece of Blu Tack and activate it by pulling and stretching. Roll into a ball and place in between the two surfaces and press firmly. So I'm assuming we need to activate it maybe. I don't know. We'll see. Oh, and well, Stacy's. All right. Yeah. Wow. Okay, it's almost like a clay. Like it's very thin. What do you think?
It's silly putty.
Is silly putty? Oh my god.
I don't know if this is gonna mix.
Well, it is very strong. I guess that's why it's an adhesive. I don't know. Let me see here. I probably shouldn't have like folded it in half because like I'm trying to like
Yeah, I did that too.
like thin it out. I don't know. It's like you can. Are you struggling over there, dude? This stuff is. I mean, it's tough. It's like gorilla glue.
This is my arm workout for the day.
Let me see. I'm just trying to activate it. So hopefully, maybe I don't know. I think I'm gonna.
It said roll it into a ball and then what?
No, I'm not rolling it into a ball. I'm gonna like stretch it over the slime, like this, to kind of thin it out. Stretch it into the slime. There we go. I mean, maybe that's gonna work. We'll see. Oh, there's a pop for you. Oh no.
Yeah, mine's not even.
Yeah, I think that's the way to go though, because like, see how it's slowly dissolving? It's to stretch it thin into the slime.
Okay, I made the mistake of balling mine up.
Stretch it. Oh, this clear is still a little overactivated. All right, hold on. I'm gonna see if we can get this in here. It's fat. I thought you needed to save some for the poster board.
I was going to, but.
Oh, not no more, right?
You told me to use it.
Yeah. How you doing over there?
Not well.
It's all right. I think maybe. I don't know.
I don't think mine's gonna work.
Stacy's still trying to get her stretched out. Like I can feel it. Like if I squish it on the inside. Like
Are you sure this is the right stuff?
I'll be honest. I'm not sure. Probably something completely different she was talking about. And she's gonna see this video. And she'll be like, Jacob and Stacy, that is not the right stuff. but you know, we tried. Like that's like we tried, right? Like that's really the, you know. So
I'm struggling.
I see that. This stuff is no joke. Like if you need to hang something up on your wall and it doesn't like you don't want to mess your wall up, like this is the stuff. I mean, from just messing around with it for the last couple of minutes, it says it'll remove fluff from clothes.
Oh, we need that.
It'll hide things in the cupboard, so it's like I guess you could put like a
Hide a
little
key.
key or something. Um, can hold cables in place. Now I don't know if I would put this stuff next to like an electronic thing. Oh, let's see. Oh, it'll clean your keyboard. It says. So I guess you can like roll. I don't know about the keyboard thing either. This is my favorite.
I just threw slime at you.
That's all right. Fix a wobbly table. So I guess you like put this and like smash it and then like you stick it underneath the wobbly table. Um, yeah, probably not. Says safe and easy to use. Provides ideal alternative to drawing pins and sticky tape with over 1,000 uses around the home and office school. How you doing over there? Interesting. It's
Lumpy.
It's very lumpy. Um, I'm gonna say that out of 1,000 uses, it's definitely not putting it into slime. I think this is a bust. It doesn't really have a smell or anything, but I mean, it's kind of cool. I mean, you know, but
It's cool, but not for slime use.
definitely not for slime use. But we tried. We tried. Lily, thank you for the suggestion. I think another one of our subscribers talked about doing
See the
sand.
lumps?
Yeah, you can squeeze the lumps in. Like I'm squeezing the lumps in. But yeah, another one of our subscribers was saying, "Hey, you guys should do sand." So I think here in the next couple of weeks we should do a sand willow mix video. What do you think?
We should get the sand art sand. The colors.
That would be kind of cool. Yeah, I like it. I like it. Definitely cooler than my idea, but
You're just gonna go in the backyard and dig up some dirt.
well, I mean, listen. I mean, I think that would have been the easiest. So Blu Tack, will it mix? No, it will not. But
Sorry,
we tried.
Lily.
Yeah, sorry, Lily. It was fun though. It's cool. Definitely learned something new. Didn't even know about this product. So there you go, Blu Tack. If you need to hang something on your wall. Big news coming Friday. We're not going to say anything just yet, but me and Stacy will have a huge video dropping Friday night. Please check that one out, and we appreciate all of the subscribers, all of the followers. Appreciate all of the comments. We've had a blast doing this. And on that note, we hope you guys have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video.